Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install TikTok Pixel for Shopify. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for shopify.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, get to the top search bar and then search for TikTok inside it. After that, you'll get some search results. Simply click on the All Apps statement and then locate the official TikTok app. Feature in the left side menu and then click on the Shopify App Store embed. A new web page will then open up. Now, you just need to search for TikTok and give it a go. Once you find the TikTok app, click on it and then click on the Install button. Once done, you will have the option to add your TikTok business account. Simply click on the Setup button and the first step is to connect TikTok business. Just click on the Connect button and sign in. After signing in, click on the Connect button again and it will get connected. Similarly, follow the same steps to connect each and every account you want to link. Once you have connected all your accounts, select the maximum level and confirm your selection. After that, enter the required information and click on the Finish button. You can see that the request has been sent and you just need to wait for them to respond. Once you receive confirmation, you're good to go. So that's basically how you can install TikTok Pixel for Shopify. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.